We are looking at three giants in the AI video space, and one potential game changer that might just revolutionize your content workflow. On one side, you have Descript, the text-first editing powerhouse that has become the gold standard for podcasters and creators who live in their transcripts. On the other hand, you have Runway ML, the visual wizard's playground that VFX artists and experimental filmmakers absolutely adore. And sliding into the conversation is Vizard, an AI-powered repurposing machine designed to pull viral clips from long videos and automate your distribution. Let's skip the marketing hype and do some real talk about how these tools stack up for creators. We are going to score each tool based on philosophy, editing features, audio tools, generative AI, workflow, and that all-important learning curve. Spoiler alert, there is no single best tool because it really comes down to which one fits your specific goals. First up is core philosophy, and Descript is laser-focused on people whose business is spoken word content. The entire concept is simple yet brilliant. Edit the text transcript and your video edits itself instantly. It is fantastic for cleaning up interviews or removing filler words, but if your brain lives in cinematic VFX, Descript just isn't built for that. Runway ML takes a different approach, basically telling filmmakers, come play with generative video, motion paint, and next-level effects. Their user base consists of creators who want to invent visuals that literally did not exist 5 minutes ago. It is powerful and experimental, but it is not the fastest way to get a cheeky 60-second clip onto Instagram. Vizard sits comfortably in the middle, but it leans heavily into practical automation for the busy content creator. It is made for streamers and educators who need to turn long-form content into short, punchy social posts without doing the heavy lifting manually. Vizard doesn't try to replace heavy VFX or Descript's deep audio tools, it just finds the best moments and gets them out the door. Round 1 goes to everyone for owning their specific lane, whether you are dialogue first, visual first, or distribution first. Moving to editing features, Descript continues to excel with its text-first workflow and overdubbing capabilities. But when it comes to visual flair, Descript has limited tools for stylized scenes or deep shot compositing. Runway ML goes full science fiction with text-to-video, motion brushes, and advanced green screen tools. The only downside is that the timeline editing can feel a bit fragmented compared to a traditional linear video editor. Vizard is laser-focused on the specific needs of social growth, like automatic highlight detection and smart multi-aspect cropping. It takes a 90-minute interview, pulls out the viral gold, and brands it consistently in just a few minutes. For audio, Descript remains the absolute king with world-class transcription and voice cloning that sounds scarily human. Runway has some basic audio tools, but it really isn't designed to support a professional podcasting workflow. Vizard isn't trying to out-clone Descript, but it does auto-trim silence and adds captions that look great on muted mobile feeds. In terms of visual effects and generative AI, this is truly Runway's playground and where they dominate the competition. If your project demands high-end photorealistic synthesis or wild experimental visuals, you simply cannot beat the power of Runway. Descript has added some AI layout assistance, but it will hit a wall quickly if you need advanced compositing effects. Vizard opts for practical templates and motion presets that make your clips feel curated without needing a degree in animation. When looking at collaboration, Descript feels like the Google Docs of the video world, perfect for team feedback cycles. Runway is cloud native, but managing complex assets and models can become overwhelming for smaller, leaner teams. Vizard wins the workflow war here by centralizing your content calendar and handling the scheduling for you automatically. If you are a team struggling with the question of what to post next, Vizard basically automates that entire headache. Pricing is always a factor, and while Descript has a great free tier, those premium voice features will cost you extra. Runway can get expensive quickly if you are generating heavy video assets, so keep an eye on your credit usage. Vizard positions itself as a value play because it saves you from paying for a dedicated social media editor to do the manual clipping. For the learning curve, Descript is wonderfully intuitive for anyone who knows how to use a standard text processor. Runway takes time to master, especially if you want to get good at prompt engineering and advanced generative workflows. Vizard is intentionally low friction, allowing you to upload a long file and get social content back within a single afternoon. So, to wrap up, Descript is for your audio-first editing, Runway is for your visual magic, and Vizard is for scaling your social presence. The reality for most successful creators is that they don't pick just one, they actually mix and match these tools. Use Descript to clean your podcast audio, bring that into Vizard to generate your clips, and sprinkle in some runway effects for the big viral moments. If this comparison helped you, go ahead and share it with a creator friend who is currently drowning in raw footage. And if you want to deep dive into how to automate an entire month of content in under an hour, hit that follow button for next time.